Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. It's currently 4:08 p.m., January 25th, 2021, Monday. Markets look like nothing happened today, but did it? Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Well, if you're just the normal walkabout investor, you probably would look at the Dow Industrials, NASDAQ, and SPX and be like, pretty normal day. Not too bad, not too good. Okay, move on. But if you were here this morning, probably the first 3 hours of the day, you saw something that probably will never happen again, or on this particular scale. I'm hearing rumors of the SPY having volume of, I guess, what do you call it, 50% higher in the last 3 months. But I'm looking at the SPY daily, and it's actually not that high on the SPY, but maybe the New York Stock Exchange, because it was like, I think GME is a New York Stock Exchange stock. 175 million on this baby. Look at the volume today. Insane day for GameStop. I can get into all of it, but I'm not. I did not trade GameStop. We'll go to GameStop right here. $0. So I was looking at a few other stocks. I was watching GameStop, but I didn't see an entry here. This just got crazy. It just kept going, got squeezing, and then the halt down was pretty significant. And then once you're a part of this, unless you're short, you're getting burned pretty good. Just a gambling stock, up 100% and then drops 100%. When does that happen? So Tesla was making highs. It was cranking. Stock I traded but only took a small gain was BYND. I missed this entry on this particular move right here, and I definitely missed this. And it's up 17. We're talking $18 today. Huge move for BYND. So hang on 1 second. So we're looking at, I took a late day trade in VVPR. I took a small trade on Tesla. Actually, I liked the Tesla. I actually got on the phone and I had to walk away. Well, I didn't walk away. I was watching it. I was actually about to press the button back through 850 here on this particular move. Just a monster. I love the 850 level when it passes through. And it went down to 838. So the market's really sold off. It was just one of those things like, is this the end? Me a little bit on laser. Me a little bit on Fubo. CCIV again at the beginning of the day, made a little move here, took a little piece off. But the stock of the day was this GEVO, GEVO, and I caught this move here to the 1350 level. Sold way too soon, but exceeded crazy expectations, and I made quite a bit. I made like $150 on that trade or something like that. Took a couple small losers in my strategy because I had an errant tick, which I won't get into right now. I lost this. Probably my worst trade of the day was bingo. What was it? Taking it through this level here. It was 13 here on this candle, and I got in just a little too early. Got flushed down on it, and then it went. It went up to 1365. I mean, it was a nice move, and I was in for pretty heavy, so that kind of hurt me. But then when I was on that phone call, I was talking about my PC crashed, blue screen. Yesterday, I went into my system because I just realized that my memory that I bought when I rebuilt this system was in the wrong slots. Amateur hour, right? It's like a 2, 1, 3, 4 setup or something like that, and you have to have them in the right spots. Don't ask me why they do it on the motherboards. So I'm watching all these videos because I'm learning how to build a PC, which I used to do, by the way. I just totally forgot how to do it because things have changed so much. And I realized I had my memory in the wrong slots. So I moved the memory to the correct slots, and my PC wouldn't start. So okay, maybe I didn't seat it right. So I opened it back up and reseated it, and it started up pretty good, and everything was running better. I did benchmarking, and everything looked better, actually. So I was feeling really good about the PC. Like, might not need one. And on this call around noon, my PC crashed. Just crashed. Blue screen. Like, what the heck's going on? I was running my normal stuff. But I'll tell you, TradeStation's been running really well today with the memory in the new space. But I think it might have been TradeStation that made my PC crash because of all this data. So I don't know what's going on. We don't need to get into that. I did have a okay day, 148. And I say it because I was really hesitant after the crash. So much going on with my other stuff. The trading, the things kind of just slowed down. Just kind of got messy. I have a lot going on in the household type of thing. And so I'll take a green day on a day like this any day of the week. There's definitely some trades to be had. And I hope you guys caught it. Caught some big moves. And like GME, if you're willing to risk it, I'll be interested to know if you did. I appreciate all the comments yesterday or Saturday and Sunday about the video I created about the TradeStation orders that got locked up and some level 2 stuff. So keep that going. Keep that in the loop. Let me know how you're doing. I have my specs for my PC. It's decent price range. So I can buy it from 2 different companies. One's like $2,400 and the other's like $3,000. And I have a pretty strong video card. And I'm like, okay, I don't need to spend that much. I can drop $1,700, save myself $1,000. But the only problem is I have to put it together. And do I trust myself to put it together? I know I could do like the motherboard and things like that, but it's the power supply and running all the cables to the proper locations and all that good stuff. So I'm looking for, there's tons of videos on YouTube to watch to kind of figure out how to do things. Just do it step by step, take it slow. But after today and the PC crash, I'm going to be jumping on that and making the purchase probably today or tomorrow. Parts are coming from probably Amazon and like Newegg or something like that. And hopefully I'll have a new PC up and running by next week, but you never know. So that's going to sum it up. So $148, looking to increase on that tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video, and we'll keep things cooking. Have a good night.